Sige guys, I was searching until I joined my friend and it was on event now. So I actually played this, but it's kinda similar of some game. It's not even free. Hello? It's lagging. Okay. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, this is so cute. Wait, what? Okay, never mind. It's bro, okay? Okay, don't worry. But this is so cool! So cool! Dude, are even this free? I'm leaving now. Yo, this is so sick. I know that's not free. I'm gonna finish this hobby. I'm so slow. Wait, these are plushies. Let's go! So you push through these? You could just jump on them. Now here we go again. Okay, finally I'm back to normal. Not gonna lie, this is actually sick. What's this? Wow, that was a trap. Best trap ever. Wow, we're back to the... It's even worse. Okay. I'm leaving. Wow. I have to restart again. Gosh. I'm almost dead. Well, we're actually dead. Wow, we serious? I'm speedrunning this. Fuck this. What is that? Fuck this. No, we can't. No, it's not gonna like to push me. Like, it's not gonna push me again. Wow. I know something was off, So I checked it. And wow. That was a good. Got me good. I'm going it. Hello? It's not deep. Okay, I'm going to my checkpoint again. Because it was OP. Okay, wait. Oh no, I died. Oh thanks. Wait, no way. Why it's even slower? Where's the other gift? Wait, what's this? Okay, no way. Bro, so ugly. No wonder you're ugly, bitch. Nobody likes you. Wait, no. Wait, is this a fun? Okay, this is a fun. Wait. You know the sound. I might actually accidentally created a funk. I'm recording. Okay, I'm sorry.
Nakalak na dia.
Lagi.
Ano ni ba upa dito ba sa kitchen ba ko sila sa tigutan.
Okay, na. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm talking to my grandma. Anyway, let's begin. Begin. Ooh, what's this? Oh, wow. No. Dude, here's the dumplings. It's actually so cute. Okay, no, you're not. Okay, no way. This is so... That's my brother. Wait. Wait. No! I'm leaving. Wait. I got distracted. Okay. Ginawa na. So this is baby sea oil. It's not like to hit me. Like, you know, look at this. It's not like to hit me. It's not like gonna hit me. It's not gonna hit me. Ooh, so scary. I'm shaking. Oh, never mind. Okay, replace it. Ooh, I think they're deadly ones. Okay. Wow, such a genius. I didn't know I'd go up. Wait, no way! I'm actually free! Nice, this house. This Armastorm. Squishy dumplings. How do you get the rainbow one? Anyways, I'm squishing all the dumplings. We know it! Okay, no way. Okay, I'm going back for this. Anyways. Cookies! I ate those. Anyways, what's this? Never seen this before. And this? Oh, this is the basics about this one. Red, yellow. No. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Cookie, and butter. And cream sandwich. This cream marshmallow sandwich. Puffed. It's good. No way. I'm so satisfied for this. Boost not like it come back. It's not, it makes no sense, but I kinda like it. Is this a puffer ball? There's no way. What? It's not making sense. Anyways, I come back. Bye bye. See you guys later.